I just had a thought. This was not about the video I'm actually gonna make. So I wanted to make a video. People always ask, what's, if I can type this many words per minute, would that be acceptable? And it's hard to answer the question because a lot of people haven't typed a lot. Like, I'm old enough to remember typing class, right, in middle school and high school. And so we were taught how to actually type with a typewriter. I'm old, right? I look a little younger than I am, but I'm a little older than you think, probably. My kids are grown. So if you have been typing, since you were 11, 12, that is different than if you are an adult right now and you're 25, 30, 35, 40, whatever, and you are trying to learn how to type. You're going to be a lot slower because you haven't been doing that. So it's very hard to say if you are this, if you're at 50 or 60 words per minute, you'll be okay. But here's what I say. If you are at least 50, 60, you're pretty good to start, because you're going to be adding all of these things in the transcription part, right? Like, think about what I am saying right now, and can you in your head put it into sentences and paragraphs, right? We don't think like that normally. So all of that thinking you're going to be learning and putting into place in the course, right? So if you are scared that you don't type fast enough currently, I say do the course, because then you're going to be learning all of those things at the same time you're practicing getting faster, versus if you just wait until you can type faster, you're going to really slow down once you start the course, because now you have to add all of these things in. So you're going to slow down no matter what. No matter what words per minute you do currently, you're going to be slower when you start transcribing, because you have to do all of these other things. You have to think about what someone's saying, you have to type it, you have to change the indentations and the margins and bold things and all of these things. You're going to slow down. So if you are at least 50, you can start, because you're going to be practicing typing more, which is the only way you get faster, right? Practicing. So do it at the same time. Take the course and do it at the same time. If you are a one finger typer, you're not going to make it. You're not. You need to be full hands using the keyboard the way that it's supposed to be. We do have practice typing. If you take our free boot camp, it will have the practice links to a bunch of websites. You can do a ton of work to figure out and get to your words per minute